Hello and welcome to Innovative Cartel YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how you can trace white color logo or white color text in Adobe Illustrator. You sometimes need to trace it automatically by the feature image trace, right? But in case of white color, if you trace it, you get no results, right? Even if you try to explore the advanced tab, hit ignore white and trace it, you get the same results. So how can you do it automatically? It's very simple. Select your logo, go to edit colors and invert colors. When you hit invert colors, the white color would become black. Now it's very easy to trace it. Select the logo and click trace. Your logo is traced by image trace option perfectly. Go to expand, select magic wand tool, select all the white and hit delete. Now you can simply select your logo and change the color to white. So this is how you can trace white color logo or white color text in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe to Innovative Cartoon and don't forget to hit the notification icon. Thanks, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.